This is the Woodford SL-24 faucet lock for the models 24 and 26. So on the front of the package here, we'll have a list of the parts that will come included in the package, as well as that little breakdown there of the order that the parts go in. We'll go ahead and get everything out here and get a couple measurements of each part. So we'll come with that locking nut, the lock itself, the keys for the lock, and the T-handle. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements, starting with that lock nut. We will get a total length as well as an outer diameter of each end. So total length measures right about 1.75 inches, and then right there on that wider part there, measuring just above an inch, right about an inch and about 1 1/8 inches. And then on this end, on that flat, almost washer top side there, measures just below an inch, right above 3/4 inches. Then we'll measure the T-handle. We'll get a total length, and that will measure right at 3¼ inches. And we can also get an inner diameter here of that brass fitting as well. And that will measure just below 1/2 inch on that square fitting. And then the lock should measure just about the same as the locking nut. We'll also get a total length. We'll measure right at about 1¼ inch or 1¾ inches, as well as an outer diameter of this side, which will measure just shy of 1.5 inches. And yeah, once again, this is the Woodford SL-24 faucet lock.